Back at home. Big long chemtrails. Big silver sky. Hey, there comes another one. Okay, there we go. I got that one right there. I wish I had a good camera. And you got this guy over here. That's normal activity, right? The skies are just silver. It looks like a little black dot up there. It was a beautiful day till about noon, and this started.
I'm not gonna lie to you, Dad. The chemtrails, looking at them in the sky. You know how normal clouds are supposed to look and how chemtrail clouds are supposed to look?
Yeah.
It looks like someone went on a Minecraft world, started blowing everything up and building dirt houses.
Yeah. We had a dark one over there, man. We can barely see it. Look how dark that is.
Oh my god. That's like charcoal gray.
That's like charcoal gray black dark. That's not a shadow either. There's another one. He's leaving another one right now up above it.
Do you see it like turn transparent and then show back up?
Yeah, a little bit.
Like it's flashing almost?
I guess morphing or something.
They're spraying dark matter in the sky, guys. It's all over. It's all over. CERN's gonna.
There you go. My son said they're spraying dark matter. It's all over.